morning and welcome back to Morning Markets from True Potential. Paul Durrance, Investment Director. Now we start today by just looking at how equity markets performed yesterday. We saw real strength from the US, Europe and UK markets, and that's just following on from Friday where we saw some weakness. Markets, no real driver behind pushing markets higher yesterday, but they continue to really digest the prospect of higher interest rates in the US, Europe and the UK. On Friday we heard that we had the US inflation report, which suggests that inflation, whilst trending lower, is being more persistent than initially thought compared to the start of the year. As a result, we saw in global government bond yields continue to push higher yesterday, which means prices declined. In terms of economic data, UK grabbing the headlines yesterday with the announcement of the Windsor framework. This is a new agreement between the UK and Europe over the Northern Ireland Protocol. The protocol was put in place in 2019 by Boris Johnson, who wanted to avoid a hard border on the Isle of Ireland. But this has come under a huge amount of criticism from businesses, politicians, given the challenges it has made for businesses to get goods and foods from Britain into the region. It's really created a lot more costs, a lot more paperwork and a lot of delays, and really deters businesses from transporting goods and foods. So this is a step in the right direction and just shows that the UK and European Union can have a stronger post-Brexit relationship. Looking at the details of the agreement and what Rishi Sunak discussed yesterday in his press conference, what this will do will put in a green lane and a red lane, which will mean any goods going through the green lane will be destined just for Northern Ireland, and for those going through the red lane will potentially be destined for wider Europe. This will help smooth the flow of trade and really remove some of the paperwork, which is a real positive. In terms of financial markets, very little impact. Where we did see movement was in the currency, the pound strengthening against the US dollar, up 1%, up to 121 on the dollar. So positive for the pound and just a positive for the UK more wider. That's everything from us today. Thank you for listening and we'll see you tomorrow.
If you're interested in taking your investing to the next level or would like to know more about the options available to you when you retire, then download our free guides to ISAs and pensions. These are available in the video description below.